Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. I hope you are doing well. I missed you very, very much. I haven't filmed an unboxing video in a very long time. I just haven't felt like videotaping any of them lately. I'm not sure why, but here I was so excited that I had to open this up in the evening, but I will share with you later on in the video a different setting in daylight. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So I ordered a cover for my Hobonichi weeks. I wanted to change it up from the Pink Panther that you see on the right hand side there. I wanted to switch things up. I wanted to give his Toffee. I wanted to try out his Toffee leather, and so I messaged him. And so the outside mane is the Toffee leather, and then on the inside it is the glossy old boots. He knows that I enjoy leathers that are more on the smoother side. This Toffee really reminds me of the Rhine leather, but in a different color, and it's nice and smooth. And this is the Lacao stamp, or the embossing, and then this one here is the Larite. You can see the two differences there. I wanted one from Lacao. I have an older one that has the Lacao, but I haven't received one recently with that embossing, so I requested it. So you can see here side by side one that I've been using for many, many months. It's very shiny. There's a patina there. It's very worn in, and I absolutely love it. And then here are some two leather samples that he included. And now I didn't know what it was actually. I knew it wasn't Pink Panther because the outside red was it felt a little different. But it is the Indicolite and then the ruby leather. My daughter is beside me playing, so I apologize if the camera is jiggling around a little bit, but that is his business card. I will, of course, leave all the information down below. I did request for an eyelet, which is kind of like a business card holder on the left-hand side there. And you can see I'm just comparing the two leathers between the Toffee and the Pink Panther. And the pockets are incredibly thin. I don't know how he does it. He says he doesn't have the skiving or skeeving machine, the machine that makes it thinner, but I'm not sure. Maybe he has like a manual one, but it's very, very thin. I really like this Pink Panther leather, and then the leather in the inside is the old boots, and I really wanted to use the old boots leather. It's already shiny, even though it's not the shiny old boots leather. But you can see the difference between a used notebook and then a brand new notebook. So I'm going to just transfer my Hobonichi weeks to this new Toffee cover. I really like his fit. There's just enough space for tabs on the top and on the side, as well as a pen. And I can't stop touching the Pink Panther leather. Yeah, I originally wanted the old boots pockets on the inside, but he said his old boots leathers are all textured right now, so I did ask for the glossy old boots. But yes, so I will share with you some close-ups of the video at the end in different lighting so that you can see. I tried my best to color correct, but it was filmed at nighttime, so it was a little bit difficult to see. So here are just some close-ups of the two different logos that he has. He has an Etsy shop as well as an online shop. If anything, you can message him, and he is very responsive. He's actually currently in Chicago, so if you are located in the United States, the shipping will be a lot quicker. He's originally from Taiwan, but and this is the inside of the leather. I'll show a closer photo of the inside of the leather as well, and this is in the daylight lighting, in normal natural lighting, just by the window, so that you can see there clearly. The stitching is always, of course, really, really nicely done. I asked for the stitching that matches with the Toffee leather, and this is once again the inside, and that's the eyelet where I can insert like a washi tape holder or a business card holder. And that's the inside of the Toffee leather. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. It's a really quick unboxing, but I did want to share with you my new Hobonichi Weeks cover. I'll have to do an update. My planner system is all over the place right now. I can't seem to make up my mind after this one book, July. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, I'm always here and happy to help you. I really appreciate you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.